Hey guys, welcome back to the craft day. I found something that's some ResinCrete and I'm really excited to try it. I have been doing resin for years and I kind of like stopped doing it because it was not environmentally friendly. It would often turn yellow and it was very expensive. So let's see what we got here. This is 200 grams. Another bag. Oh, nice. Here is some magnets. That's pretty cool. A mixer, paint brushes, and a paint kit. This is also kid friendly. Oh, this is the little paint. And we got plenty of molds to play with. Now it's time for me to read the instructions, so I'll be right back. Okay, first of all, what I'm gonna love about this is that the normal resin or the traditional resin, I would say, takes 24 hours to cure, and this one takes 30 minutes. So that's already a great plus for me. And it comes with all these molds provided for you. I don't know how much ResinCrete they're going to hold, so I'm going to keep all of them out at this time. It comes with mixing instructions. You are welcome to add pigment to it. So we are going to do a mica powder, but only for the frame parts of the mold. This is the powder per water that you want to use. And you have like 8 minutes of working time. I still might end up adding pigment to this because I would like for you guys to see. I'm going to pour it slowly because I want to make sure that it crawls and crevices slowly. Let's tap these molds and see if I get any bubbles. Okay, it has been 30 minutes. So you can see it. I love that it stayed pretty white. Oh, that is so pretty. I'll dust the mold from now on and we'll do something like this. That is really pretty. It's kind of heavy. Well, you know, based on the size. It's kind of has a weight to it. I caught a couple of air bubbles. That would turn out really pretty too. Got a bubble right there too. But I'm gonna give these a little bit more time because they say give it a day. I'm gonna give them a little bit more time to dry, but they really already feel that way to me. It comes off a little bit too. We're gonna paint my favorite one. Found out on the paper that red and yellow and a little bit of black will make brown. Okay, so here's my final review. This is really pretty, like 30 minutes time, very easy to use. All I needed was the ResinCrete powder and water. Like, that's it. And I dusted my mold with mica powder. So I prefer that way. So I dust them for more often. If you can kind of see the shimmer around the edges. This was really nice. I've been wanting to work with something similar to concrete. I don't know how very similar this is to concrete, but as you see in the video, I didn't need to wear a mask. I am holding it with my glove. I didn't need to wear a glove to mix it like you would traditional resin. I smelled nothing at all. Like even those resins that say no odor, I still smell odor, and you still had to have the room um, with air circulation, and I needed none of that. So yeah, this is really awesome. It feels like concrete, and yeah, it was really fun to do. I'm looking to go online to find more molds that they have because I'm really excited to get started with this product, especially if it's something more um, eco friendly and more affordable than traditional resin is. This was really fun to make. So I hope you guys try it out because I really loved it. And catch you guys later.